Hey, it's Katrina Sawa here. I wanted to come on today and talk about a new author program that I have. It's called the Profitable Author Program, and it's starting at the end of April. A lot of people were asking me, "Hey, do you have an affordable way for me to show me how to self-publish my book and all the things I need to know?" And so this is it. This is your chance to not have to pay a publisher or a hybrid publisher or me or anybody to publish your book or show you how for thousands of dollars. You can come to this author program, the Profitable Author, instead and go through the program. And it's a 5-month program. The last time I did this kind of a program, it was called something different, but it was a 30-day program, thinking we would jumpstart someone into getting their book done in 30 days. Well, you can do that with AI these days, but that's not how I usually recommend it. AI is okay for generating ideas. I don't recommend writing the whole book in AI, although there's people out there and marketers that are buying ads on Facebook and telling you you should do this. I disagree wholeheartedly that you should write the whole entire book in AI. First of all, Amazon asks you if your book is done with AI. Is it all or a little bit of? So I'm thinking they're not going to like that very often as we create more books. I think it's best to still be a human and write a book by a human. However, I'm going to show you tricks on how to use AI to get that content out of you in a faster way so that we can still hurry up and get the book done for you or with you, and you can get it done hopefully within that 5 months, if not way less. I'm fine if you get it done in 30 days, but I just didn't want to set that expectation because I think last time we had 30 authors and only like one, maybe two did it in that 30-day period. And the rest, they didn't feel that confident then because they didn't get it done in 30 days. So I want to give you a confident, realistic timeline to write your book and get all the things done on Amazon and everything, and even do a launch within that 5 months or close to it. And you'll know exactly what to do. So I'm going to give you training videos of things that I show my authors how to do. I'm going to give you instructions on building your supporter list and doing the marketing for an Amazon launch and marketing for after the launch when you're trying to sell paperbacks more on your website. I'm going to talk about web pages and what you should have on your website to show that you're an author. I'm going to talk about publicity, how to get local publicity in your area, maybe national too, but I know for sure I can teach you the local stuff. And depending on who joins the program, a lot of people have skills in these areas, and so they might actually do a little also a training for participants. So I probably will limit this to 20 people because I want to make sure that we have time to talk to all of you. And the times and days are all on the webpage. And so I'll have to put the link below the video here or with the video somewhere, the webpage. But it starts April 27th with a 2-hour kickoff call. We have one call in May for 2 hours. And then we have two 1-hour calls in June and July. And then we have three 1-hour calls in August and another final 2-hour call in September. So you're going to have me and my help that whole time period to actually work on your book and get it done. And because I know that you also run a business, those of you who join, this is for nonfiction authors, by the way, nonfiction authors that want to write a book that's going to help you build your business. So that could be a self-help, it could be a business book, it could be something on the trade or the industry that you teach on. It could be your story, your memoir, all of that, anything that talks about your story, your system, how you help clients, etc. Any of that can be a nonfiction book. Okay, so I'm excited because I haven't done this kind of a program in probably 6 years. And I just know there's a lot of authors waiting in the wings that don't feel like they can afford to hire someone, but yet you're spending like dozens and dozens of hours trying to figure out Amazon or KDP or how to get an ISBN number or how to do an ebook launch and all the things when I'm just going to answer your questions simply and focus you in the right direction. It's going to save you a ton of time. It's going to save you a ton of money by doing this program. You want to do the Profitable Author program with me this year. I don't know if I'll do it again before the end of the year because it goes all the way through September. I doubt it. I would jump in now, especially if you're looking to get the book done anytime before, say, next year's first quarter, because you can take all this stuff that you learn now and just keep applying it. You don't have to launch by September. You can just have all the tools and information. And then even if you're busy in the fall, you can launch it first quarter next year. So just saying, if you want information, jumpstartpublishing.net is the main publishing website. And there is a page there that you'll see like the Profitable Author program. So you can sign up there. And I hope to see you on the program. Get in it though, right? And there's a payment plan and everything. I make it super easy and really affordable. So trust me, if you don't want to try to figure all this stuff out yourself, I've spent umpteen hours trying to figure this out. And I've paid my publisher friends to show me things too. So I've paid to learn what I know. And then I've launched over 200 different authors and at least 100, maybe like 60 books because I do a lot of compilation books too. So if you're actually thinking of doing a compilation book and you want to get authors in, I've got two in the mix right now. So I can show you how to build that kind of a book. I know there's some of you who have a community and you want to do a compilation book with your people, and I'll show you that too. So this is for you too. Whether you want to do a compilation book, a nonfiction, a memoir, just no cookbooks or fiction books in this particular program. Most likely, I can help you one-on-one with that, but that's what I'm looking for. So the Profitable Author program, go to jumpstartpublishing.net, and I will see you there.